In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add percentages to a pie chart in Excel. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to display both the category names and their percentage values clearly on your chart, so it's easier to read and more professional looking. First, make sure you already have your data entered in Excel in two columns. In the first column, you should have your categories, like different products or departments. In the second column, you should have the corresponding values, such as sales figures or counts. Once that's set up, select the entire data range, including both the labels and the numbers. Next, we're going to insert the actual pie chart. With your data selected, go to the Insert tab on the Excel ribbon at the top of the screen. Look for the Charts group and click on the pie chart icon. Choose a basic 2D pie chart for a clean and simple look. Excel will instantly generate a pie chart based on your selected data and place it on your worksheet. Now that the chart is there, click once on the pie chart to make sure it's selected. You should see handles around the chart, and the Chart Design and Format tabs will appear in the ribbon. This tells you that the chart is active and ready to be customized. To add percentages, we need to work with data labels. With the chart still selected, right-click directly on any one of the pie slices. In the menu that appears, choose Add Data Labels. You'll see numbers appear on each slice, but these might just be the raw values for now. To change those labels into percentages, right-click on any of the new labels and choose Format Data Labels. A panel will open on the right side of your screen. In that panel, look for the Label Options section. Here you'll see checkboxes for value, percentage, and possibly category name. Uncheck value if it's selected, and then check percentage. If you also want the names of each category to appear, check category name as well. This combination makes the chart much easier to interpret at a glance. Take a moment to tidy up the chart. You can click and drag the labels slightly outward to avoid overlap, or use the label position options in the same panel to place them outside the slices with leader lines. If your chart has many small slices, consider combining tiny categories beforehand so the percentages don't become cramped and hard to read. Once everything looks clear, resize or reposition your chart on the worksheet as needed. And that's it. You've successfully added percentage labels to your pie chart in Excel, making your data more visual, understandable, and presentation ready.